Hi everyone, welcome back to Speak with Shyla. Thank you so much for supporting. Today we're going to talk about something that many English learners struggle with, the common challenges of learning a new language and how to overcome them. Whether you are just starting out or you have been learning for a while, you probably face some of these issues. Let's dive in and tackle them together. The fear of making mistakes. A lot of learners feel nervous about speaking because they don't want to sound wrong or be judged. But here's the thing, making mistakes is completely natural. It's actually one of the best ways to improve. So the next time you feel worried about making a mistake, remind yourself that it is okay. Every mistake is an opportunity to learn and get better. Try to embrace it, laugh it off, and keep going. The more you practice, the more confident you feel. Now let's talk about grammar. This is something everybody finds tricky. English grammar can be overwhelming. Irregular verbs, tenses, articles, prepositions, there's so much to learn. Don't try to learn everything at once. Start small, focus on basic sentence structures like subject, verb, object. Once you're comfortable with that, move on to more complex rules. And do not forget, practice makes perfect. Keep reading, listening, and speaking in English. And you'll get the hang of it over time. Next up is vocabulary and pronunciation. Another big challenge for a lot of learners. English has so many words that sound similar but mean completely different things. And it can be tough to keep track. Here's a tip. Try learning words in context. When you learn a new word, use it in a sentence or a conversation right away. Listening to native speakers can also help with pronunciation. You can even use apps to practice with audio recordings. They're great for helping your brain remember words faster. And don't stress about sounding perfect. Most English speakers will appreciate your effort and might even help you if needed. Now let's talk about listening and speaking. These can be especially frustrating because English speakers often talk fast, use slang, or have strong accents. It can feel overwhelming, but do not worry. This is something that you can improve with practice. Try watching movies or listening to podcasts in English. Follow along with TV shows and don't be afraid to repeat what you hear. Subtitles can be helpful starting point, but as you improve, try to rely on them less. For speaking, practice with a friend, a teacher, or even on your own. Talking to yourself in front of a mirror might sound silly, but it actually works. And if you would like to have a chat, I'd be more than happy to connect with you. Just email me at speakwithshyla@gmail.com and we can practice together in a relaxed and friendly way. Finally, let's address one of the hardest parts of learning a language: staying motivated. Sometimes it feels like you're not making any progress, and that can be really discouraging. But remember, learning a language is a marathon, not a sprint. Set small achievable goals. For example, learn 10 new words a week or try having a 5-minute conversation in English every day. Celebrate those little wins because they really add up over time. And make it fun. Watch your favorite shows in English or join online groups where you can practice with others. Surrounding yourself with English makes it so much easier to stay motivated. Learning English might seem challenging, but it's absolutely worth it. Don't let fear, grammar confusion, or frustration stop you. Take it one step at a time, and remember that every mistake is a step closer to success. If you haven't already, I would like to invite you to subscribe to this channel so you won't miss any of my future lessons. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what challenges you have faced while learning English and what has worked best for you. I can't wait to hear from you. See you next time. Bye.